Namaste. Hello, dear community. Thank you for joining me. My name is Tiina. If you are new to my channel, a warm and heartfelt welcome. This is a meditation for the full moon, although it can be supportive anytime that you would like to bring in a little bit more of a sense of loving, creative, blooming, blossoming energy into your life. So make yourself comfortable. You're welcome to lay down, you're welcome to sit up or find a restorative yoga pose to rest in. As you're settling, you might close down your eyes. If you're comfortable with eyes closed down, and if you prefer the eyes open, just having a very soft and relaxed gaze. Wherever you are, notice how your physical body is in this moment, and are there any little adjustments that can support you in becoming more comfortable? And then start to notice your breath. Become aware of the natural resting rhythm of your breath and the rise and fall of the belly and the chest. And as you breathe with awareness, the breath is naturally starting to blossom a little bit more on the inhale, expanding belly, middle ribs, and upper chest. The exhale, long, slow, and smooth. The inhale, expanding, filling, luminous, and bright. The exhale guiding you into these moments, these precious moments of relaxation. And let your thinking mind soften. The thoughts and stories and details of your day can drift away, just for now, becoming more aware of how you feel in your body and in this moment. Welcome the body to soften and relax tension, as if you could become even a little bit more open and receptive, soft and at ease. Continue to welcome the flowing movements of your breath, just like the element of water, coming in to cleanse and to nourish. And begin to imagine or sense a horizon. Maybe it's a horizon of water, like an ocean or a lake. And the night is falling, the sun is setting, so there's a quietude, a stillness and a darkness that's moving in and through you to offer calm, like the peacefulness of the night. Using your imagination to welcome an image or memory or just felt sense of a full moon rising up from this horizon. You might imagine the first little glimmers of light of this full moon. And that light continues to grow and brighten as moon rises. Bringing this feeling of the rising moon into your body and into your emotions and into your energy and spirit. The many layers of the self welcoming this feeling of a full moon rise. Perhaps moon is risen and is hovering in the sky above, casting light, and imagine yourself, your body opening to receive this light as if the light penetrates every cell of your body and being. And let yourself rest here in this moment of magic, welcoming a feeling of being in harmony and balance with all of nature. And this harmony and balance is inherently creative, luminous, and full. There's an inherent loving energy and presence that's here in this magical moment. Feel yourself opening up to this magic, to this loving presence, to this creative energy, as if you could simply bask in the light of the full moon. Rest here and be held for a few more breaths. You're welcome to hold this space for as long as you'd like, to simmer in the luminous energy of the full moon, of your own consciousness. If you'd like to transition with me, you might start to wiggle your fingers and toes and let a hand rest on the belly, a hand rest on the heart, giving thanks to yourself for taking this time. Thank you, self. Body, mind, spirit, this whole self. Thank you. You might take a deep breath in and sweep your arms out and up. Let your gaze lift to sky, and exhale your hands together down to your heart. A little bow to your indwelling spirit. Namaste. So take your time to transition. Thank you for being here. Please leave a comment to let me know that you practiced this meditation with me. Happy full moon, or whatever the lunar phase is. Know that you can call upon the natural rhythms and cycles in nature to support you, to uplift you, to nourish you and nurture you deeply. If lunar cycles and the medicine of rest calls to you, know that we are accepting applications for moon-to-moon restorative yoga teacher training as part of our School of Living Yoga. And this is an online self-paced training, but it does move with the lunar cycle. So there's so much opportunity to deepen into your own lunar phases and the rhythms of nature and ancient traditions that ground us, as well as learning the tools from the yoga tradition, specifically around restorative yoga, and using the art of deep rest to help support healing and peace and the nervous system. There are so many benefits. So there are links below for more information, some videos linked to for hearing some of our graduates' experiences. Pop an email over anytime with questions, or book a application call with me or another faculty of the school. And I hope to see you in another video. Thank you so much for being here. So much love.